these are basically the five that you can look at. It could be rehosting, where it could be a simple lift and shift of apps from one platform to the cloud with zero to minimal architectural changes. It could be replatforming, meaning that you migrate apps from on-premises environment to the cloud, make some minor changes to leverage some of this cloud functionality, such as auto scaling and high availability. Refactoring and repackaging is where you start to look at these applications and to try to optimize their functionality and transforming some bits and pieces of it using the cloud. And for example, transforming monolithic apps into microservices architectures using containers. Re-architecting is when you start to think a bit more and ripping that apart by rebuilding the solutions and taking advantage of advances in technology and platform services. And the last one is rewriting, where you see an application that no longer is suited to your business, very outdated in terms of security and very, very costly to maintain. And this is where you want to start rewriting your legacy app from scratch. And as you can see, moving from 1 point to 5, as you move along to number 5, it will cost more, it will take more time, but at the same time, it will reduce your technical debt and reduce your risk, really, in terms of becoming even more legacy in the next 2-3 years.